Alright, you guys, back in Homegoods. Look right here. These are kind of thin. On the pumpkins are $5. This is $12.99. Okay, I'm looking for anything new. Oh, this guy with a top hat. I like how they're repurposing like wood though, because this looks like a stairs.
Yeah.
15. Okay, I don't see any new mugs. All the mugs seem to be the same. Let me grab this green one. Of course, it's already done. Drink if you dare. And that is $7. Oh, those are candles. Let's see, Jason is still here. The candy corn. The Mickey. You get 3 in here. Says Boo on it. Let's see, these are $12.99 on the Mickey. Okay, what I'm noticing so far, a lot of dogs. More animal decor than the normal. I mean, wow. 15. But a lot of these are by the Humane Society. This guy, he is all metal. Oh, it's kind of lightweight, not like heavy metal though. 20. Okay, we haven't seen this ghost one by Becky Owens at 15. Now we've seen the bear one. Harry Potter.
Hedwig.
Oh wow. This is 25. That's kind of cool. And the apple, $12.99. Christian Serrano. There we go. Ooh, look at this. 17.
That's cool.
I feel like he's more turning into the Wolfman than Frankenstein. I don't know.
That's weird.
That one's cool. Let me see if
Sketch one.
this one. Oh, there's this one.
Scary stories.
Yeah, kind of giving me a little bit of scary stories, just a little bit.
I like
15.
That's 2 photos.
This one, Do Spirits Return? Houdini. You know, if you're all about that, you can match your Michaels
Oh yeah.
stuff. 17. That's cool. There's a cat one. 17. Oh, look at this one. The Saturday Evening Post, October 23rd, 1920. It's actually quite a bit down here. They have them all down here. Why don't they have a whole shelf for them? The Kiss one is 20. That's 20. I don't know if I could pull. I feel like every art teacher has these. Oh, let me pull them out. These are 20. There's like a few more. They're all 20. That one has the witch. Let me show you. You might like this one. Oh.
That's a cool one.
Yeah, got it. Yeah, see? More the Frankenstein. More Houdini. Okay, those are the same. Okay. Those are kind of cool. How much is that? 3-tier pumpkin behind you?
Which one?
Above those pumpkins.
These?
Uh-huh.
These skull?
No. So that's going to be 40. My gosh. It's like a lot of squatting, man. Gotta come out with the good stuff. Okay, look at this black cat one. That one to see if there's more portraits in here. But yes, a lot of dog stuff, if you love it. There's this witch by Cynthia. That's pretty cool. Can't get into that price. It looks like some of these are 25. You get two here, the stripe one and the ghost one. Pumpkin, table runner. Okay, those are cool. Oh gosh. They're just all like mixed in here. $20 and then $17. It got three little ghosts. And then it looks like $12.99. Oh yeah, look at him. Okay, and then you got the pumpkin. I feel like we've seen this one. The butter dish, the ghost pumpkin is $17. Okay, I found a few more. Look at the serving tray. The spirits, they're alive. These are $29.99. I like this one too. $17. Dude, if I was, this will be in my room. $17, and then a bat one. These are cool. I feel like you could hang this somewhere in your hallway. Like you need 3 though. Okay, these candles are actually kind of neat. Evening teak, mystic pumpkin, $12.99. Okay, and I feel like that was ever anything new. Halloween, might see some new Halloween, maybe in the kitchen decor. These are $29.99. And the wood one, normally we've been finding like the ceramic. This is $40. Oh gosh, please. I love stuff like this. And I'm gonna leave a few more new items over here, like this cowboy right here. He's $250. $250 for him. This one's a little different, $252. It's like bronze, almost. It is metal. I do like how the face looks like it's clay, like they sculpted it like that. It's actually kind of cool. I love stuff like that. $250, marble base. That one is called Bronco Twister. Trooper of the Plains. Trooper of the Plains right here. Let me walk this way. Oh, that's clearance. Down here, I feel like we might have seen all this already. The horses, yeah. Okay, and then here's the which ones we've seen in the Bone Daddies. Okay, I don't know if I've seen this one yet. Let me pull this one out. $7. There's a little Bone Daddy in the coffin. The 3 rich appetizer plates. $12.99. These are just striped. These are $5. $5.99. These are candles. These are by Bella Lux. These are going to be $10, a candle. And of course, Martha Stewart, not a candle. $15. And the bloody one, the Goblin and Ghoul with the cat, which is kind of cool. Ghost and the doggy is here. So it looks like they're getting ready to put some Halloween candles. Just candle. You know what, I'm surprised we're not finding? Like glass pumpkin. You know what I mean? Since we already have Halloween, might we'll put some autumn stuff in fall. These are all candle warmers on top. Those large lanterns are $70 on top. $29.99 for Rachel Zoe. Okay, here's one kind of like fall vibes. $25. They're very like old-fashioned. I think of the Christmas Carol. $8. $8 for that. Here's like this Halloween one, has like a little tiny ghost on. This little Halloween tree. $29.99. It is metal. That's a cool one. I didn't even see that last year. Okay, these are gonna be $40. Just a little bit of new glassware. Just do some scanning, you guys.
Shop like a VIP with your TJX or
And these are $25 on top.
Why miss out when you can earn a $10
These do
rewards
fascinate me.
for every $200 you spend. Plus, you can redeem them on.
Okay, these are really cute vintage. Look at this vintage towel. And it's not by Joanna Gaines. $12.99. I like this one. You get red. They have a hot dog, a snack one. $12.99. And here's another one by Cynthia. $12.99. You get 3. These are $12.99. Cupcake and cashmere. More of the doggies. Isn't that cute?
Yeah. It's like a grown-up.
Me on November 1st. Hey, September, Philippines. The Philippines, everyone tells me that's Filipino. Even at church, Christmas is in September. Gosh, it's so hard to believe. We're in July. I can't think like that. Okay, this is just dog stuff. Hocus Pocus, Mom, Wife, Witch. Okay. And here's a few doggy toys like Tug of War, the Lamb Chop. $12.99 on the large basket. I like this chair right here. Let me move these. I mean, it is a little stool, but it's $130. But the way it's not like wide, I feel like someone's butt cheek could sit on this, right? For, you know, when you have someone coming in, you got a little chair. $130.
I don't know, many people who would need 2 of those. One for each cheek.
Hey. $49.99 for this one. $59.99. Okay, so the one in Five Below was $25. I mean, this is $60.
That's crazy.
We need one. Roll into the bathroom, roll it out. Okay. But I feel like $60 for that. It's not even like as sturdy. It's like a little blue vanity. A lot of trunks in here. A lot of floral baskets, hampers. There's a cute polka dot one for $35. All these are pretty much $35. They're by Laura Ashley. So again, tons of Laura Ashley. Twin XL. I've shared them many times. These are $25. These are gonna pull out. So you get color options. You got blue, white. Mattress pads are coming out. They didn't have as much here last time. Brook Brothers. Okay, these are $29.99 for a 2-pack. You got some greens and blues, so not everything's going to be pink if you don't want a pink. Cali King comforter, like mattress pad protection. It's hot in here. $49.99. This is our Ashley, and I believe this could move. That's why it has this, right? To tighten and move it.
Yeah.
It's $130. Okay, look at this mirror. $20. Okay, I feel like this might do it for this location, because I feel like we've seen a lot of the storm stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys. I found the cowboy teddy bear. Oh yeah, he is 10. That's really cool. I have not seen that one. The cat candles here. Okay. That's kind of cute. Then we walk back this way. That chair's 130. A little more organization. The vanity one, 25 for this. All right, I think this might do it. Let me go down the blanket department. See if there's anything new. $29.99. Nicole Miller, $29.99. I feel like we've seen that one. This bat one, $29.99. $25 on the cat. And then a lot of the pink ones I know we've seen. Yeah, I feel like this is it. Alright, you guys, please stay safe out there. Drink your water. Don't leave your phone in the car. I left my phone and like the whole back fell off. It was really weird and it's so hot here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.